Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn C++ complete from ChatGPT. Right now I'm on ChatGPT 4.0. And I ran into this pretty annoying problem that ChatGPT would keep on giving me the solution when I told it to give me an assignment. That's actually something that in one of the ChatGPT 4.0 demos, something that was demonstrated because I don't remember the specific example, but they had to tell the AI to not give it the solution, but actually give it hints along the way. Now, I think it would be a good idea to give hints, but at the same time, I want to make sure I'm learning stuff, so I'll try my best to do the assignments by myself. Anyways, let's go to the next lesson. Take me to the next lesson. Also, new UI, that's really interesting. Like I noticed first in the sidebar, I even noticed these message bubbles. Okay, variables and data types. So we just have our integers, floats, doubles, characters, booleans. We haven't gone to strings, probably because they're what do you call it? Not primitives. So let's see. You can just declare and do it. There's scope. Okay. There's also lifetime. What's the difference between float and double? What is the value range? Boolean. What is the scope? And it actually gives you the answers. I forgot it. I forgot to tell it to not give me the answers. Okay, but like I would have known this anyways. Anyways, write a program that declares and initializes variables of each basic data type. No. Like, I don't understand the point of the assignment. Just change the values of the variables instead of the output. I mean, come on. I'm not like a kindergartner or something. It doesn't matter. Variables are pretty elementary. So I'm gonna ask it, is there anything special about primitives in C++ that I should know about? Okay, so there's a minimum size for the numeric values. That really shouldn't be that much of a problem. Signed and unsigned. Determine if the type can represent negative values, short and long. Implicit conversion from int to double, and static cast int. Explicit conversion from double to int. Okay. So yeah, actually I have to do a static string. That's interesting. I didn't really know if that was something just for like input output, which the reason why I thought that in the other lesson was because std was like for std sin std sin std count, or how you pronounce that. That's a lot to unpack in one lesson. So this is actually a really good example code. Could you give me a small assignment to test my variable skills? Do not give me a solution. Only a template at most. I just don't get it. Like, why would ChatGPT think this is a good assignment? Like, anyone can change variable numbers. This is like what I used to do when I would try to mod games with no coding knowledge. I would change variable names. I would change the numbers. Oh my god, I'm so... anyways, I feel like there still was a lot to unpack, so I'm just gonna read through it. Just to know, strings are with std : string. Everything else is just with the type declaration, like Java syntax. You can always redeclare them. You can create constants, enums. Like, I don't really know when to use enums, honestly. The explicit and implicit type differences, I didn't really understand. Well, apparently one of the main differences is that the programmer takes responsibility for ensuring the conversion is safe and meaningful. This seems like way more complicated than I actually thought it would be. It's probably going to go over my head a little bit right now. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hope you subscribe. And like always, bye-bye.